Why do 90% of parents feel like their toddlers are tiny tornadoes? Let's calm that storm together. Keeping a tidy home with toddlers can feel like an endless battle, but with the right strategies, it's achievable. First, declutter and organize. Keep only essential and beloved toys. Donate the rest. Use labeled bins to keep things in order. Next, establish daily cleaning habits. Make beds each morning, clean dishes after meals, and have a family tidy up session before bedtime. Teamwork makes the dream work. Involve your toddlers in cleaning. Give them simple tasks like picking up toys or wiping surfaces. It teaches responsibility and makes cleaning fun. Don't forget time-saving tools. A robotic vacuum can be a lifesaver, picking up crumbs while you focus on other things. Finally, embrace imperfection and take care of yourself. A perfectly clean home isn't the goal. Balance cleanliness with quality family time and self-care. Achieving a clean home with toddlers is possible with practical habits, the right tools, and a focus on what truly matters. Subscribe for more home and parenting tips.